Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove image watermark only from third page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we can see in this document included 3 pages with watermarks. Now we want to remove this image watermark only from the third page. Go to the second page, then go to the layout menu, then choose breaks drop down menu, then click continuous, then go to the third page and click breaks drop down menu, choose continuous, then go back the insert menu and click header option, then choose blank header. Then go to the header and footer design menu, then click link to previous, then go back the second page and click link to previous, then go to the third page and click the watermark picture and delete it, then close header and footer. Now we can see we removed the image from watermark only from third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.